This here is an acoustic guitar. Technically, this guitar is an acoustic electric guitar because, as we mentioned earlier, it does have pickups in here and has a jack where you can plug it into an amplifier. Now, it's still an acoustic guitar because even if you're not playing through an amplifier, it still generates plenty of sound, whereas a solid body guitar doesn't generate much sound without plugging it into an amp. A hollow body is somewhere in between. Since it has a lot going on the top and there's not a big sound hole, this right here is called the sound hole, which allows the sound to bounce around the inside, the box sometimes referred to, and is projected outwards. On the hollow body, we noticed that there was very small F-holes for the sound to come out. Primarily, it's used as an electric guitar. Now, this guitar would be used in a lot of folk music. It would be used in blues music. A lot of slide guitar players use an acoustic guitar. And songwriting.